Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool right here, and basically what this is a memory foam wrist pad. So if you guys are on your computer or laptop for a long period of time every single day, and you guys use the mouse a lot, then you definitely feel some pain on your wrist if you guys don't have any wrist support or any wrist pad to give you guys that cushioning that you guys need, which is where one of these come in handy. The one that we got right here is a memory foam wrist pad that you use to give you guys that support. So I'm actually take it out and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you take out the product, you see that this is basically what it looks like. So it's in the brand right here, and when you guys view the actual wrist pad right here, it definitely feels really nice. You can definitely feel that memory foam material that they mentioned on here. And they have these memory foam fillers right here that will give you guys that support and cushion you guys need. So the one that I've been using almost every day is this one right here. That's also memory foam material right here. You can see right here from this brand right here. And this one came in a set together like this. So you get a keyboard support and you get a wrist pad right here for your mouse. Whereas for the one that we got right here, it only came with a wrist pad. You can see on the other side right here, it's all wrapped up. So if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to move this part right here. Just like that. So that way I should give you guys that non-slip support when you guys actually use it on a flat surface. But basically for the product, you can use it either side. If you guys want to use it this way or this way, both sides works. And I definitely love how small and portable the product is. So if you guys want to bring this when you guys are traveling, or if you guys just want to use it somewhere else, you can definitely bring this with you guys almost anywhere. And the cool thing about the way how to design the product is the fact that if you guys want to massage your arm like on here, you can definitely do that as well. With the one right here, you can also do that as well, but it's not as good as the one that we got right here because this one actually has a lot more like cushion and the support that allows you guys to actually massage it on here. Which for this one right here, you cannot do as much. This one actually gives you guys the option on here that feels a lot better as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this down on a table and show you guys what it actually looks like and how to actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I have the product all set right here. You can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So if you guys want to use it like this, you definitely can. And it actually feels really nice. It definitely gives you guys a very good support. If you guys want to use it the other way like this, you can definitely use it this way as well. But regardless of which side you guys use, whether you guys want to use it on this side or other side, both sides definitely will work. But overall, definitely give you guys that very good support that you need for your wrist when you guys are on your computer a lot using your mouse. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. I definitely love the option of how you guys can use either side. But regardless of which side you guys use, both sides works really well and definitely give you guys that support and comfort when you guys are using your mouse, which is pretty nice. But now to quick unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are on the computer a lot and you guys use the mouse a lot, you definitely want to get one of these to give you guys the support that's needed for your wrist. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.